This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll draw a beam to column haunch connection. From the main connection menu, click on the haunch icon, and then following the command line prompts, first select the column and then select the rafter. And from the selection window, double click on the haunch plates icon and press enter to confirm. We'll assume here that we've selected the wrong connection and need to change it. In Parabuild, this is a simple operation. From the edit dialog, click on the propagate drop down button and select replace. From the selection window, double click the connection no reinforcements and the connection will be automatically exchanged. Just note that exchanging connections in this way is only possible with connections of the same group. We'll now edit the connection. First, we'll lose the cap plate. Click on the icon Assembly Part Selection. And if the assembly selection active appears in the command line, then press the button again to show single object selection. If the assembly selection is active, Parabuild will automatically select the entire assembly, which in this case is not what we want. So here, select the column cap plate and press the delete key. This method allows you to remove individual parts of all connections. Let's continue to edit the connection. Move the cursor over the sphere of the connection and double click with the left mouse button. This will open the macro dialog box. This is a handy shortcut to access the review macro command. You can select multiple macros if you wish to edit more than one connection. Activate the end plate tab. Press the switch next to the lower edge distance, making the dimension responsive, which means it can't be edited directly. But notice that the plate length and top edge distance are now active, meaning they can be. So enter 220 for the length of the plate. Then open the bolts tab and enter 60 for the top edge distance. And then open the column end plates tab. The end plate is not drawn, but all the settings of the end plate are still visible because the cut is dependent on the end plate, and it's the cut we want to edit. To compensate for the thickness of the plate, we can enter a negative gap, so we'll change the clearance between the end plate and the cut to -12. It's important to note here that Parabuild will never accept a plate thickness of 0. We'll now copy the connection. Click on the drop down arrow at the bottom of the dialog and select Smart Copy from the options. Navigate to the next beam to column joint using the zoom and pan functions of the mouse. And following the command line prompts, again first select the column and then the rafter and press enter to confirm. Then again click on the drop down arrow at the bottom of the dialog box and select Propagate from the options, and Parabuild will then copy the remaining 4 connections. The fact that the end plate was deleted is without prejudice to the connection, so the macro can still be copied. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.